New York, do you have any bold ideas? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And we serve inventors all over the country, but especially here in New York City. We've helped inventors now for over 12 years through virtual, flat fee, easy access to patent attorneys. Those that Fortune 500 companies get access to, you, the everyday inventor, deserve just as much. Here at Bold Patents, we believe in the little guy, the little gal, the entrepreneur with an idea and a vision to make a difference. In the city of New York, this rough and tumble city, you are ready. You're the one that is going to make a difference. Let us help you protect what you have invented. We help inventors with patent searching, application drafting, prosecution, and infringement. Let us help you with flat fee, easy access legal services for patenting your big idea. So here's your call, New York. Book a discovery call below. Go big, go bold.